What's going on, stackers? So we've just reached over 300, that's 300 videos all about low content book publishing here on YouTube, which is absolutely crazy. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, we have just passed over 300 videos here on YouTube just with low content book publishing. Low and no, so a bit of both. But 300 videos here on YouTube. I think we're now the channel with the most content all about low content here on YouTube. I might be wrong, I could be right, I'm not 100% sure, but I think we are. So if you're brand new to low content book publishing or advanced or whatever, then come and check out all the videos that we have. So the easiest way to do this, in fact, I'll leave a link. Nope, what is it? I'll link it right there, right now, in the right hand corner, the playlist dedicated to all our low content book publishing videos. So it's right there in the right hand corner. You can also come over to the channel, and then if we come here to playlists, you can see it's just here. So we have 313 videos all about low content book publishing. So every video I've ever made about low content you will find here within this playlist. Now you're going to find the videos that I started doing when I first got into low content book publishing, which is now over a year ago. I can't believe it's actually been 18 months now since I started my low content or no content journey. 18 months, a year and a half. I now started back in November of 2018, which is absolutely crazy. So if you come and check out the playlist, you're going to have my first ever videos about low content, which are just here. And then if we scroll down, we can see just how many I now have, which is absolutely crazy. Over 300 videos all about low content. So if you come through and watch any of these videos, you are going to find some golden nuggets within them, which will definitely help you out on your journey. Look at this. I just keep scrolling and scrolling, and there is no end. This is absolutely crazy. Let's see if we can get to the bottom. Nope, not yet. No, that's going to take a while to load. Oh, there we go. But there's just so many videos here within here which will really help you out. Now, if you're one of the people that have already been watching, then congrats, you have contributed, I can't even say that word, to over 18,000 views just within this playlist. So this playlist has been watched over 18,000 times. That's absolutely crazy as well. So what I'll do, you'll be able to find the link in the right hand corner, and I'm going to link this playlist down in the description below, just so it's a little bit easier for you to check out. And if you want to check out any of our other playlists, we have quite a few. I still have all my eBay dropshipping training, which I know is quite old now, but still helping people out because it's still relevant, the methods that I was using. And then we have a few videos about UK dividend investing, building niche websites. So this is something I'm still currently doing, but I'm not really putting much time and effort into that, just a few hours per month. Then we have some tutorials on how to create covers and things like that just with using CANVA. Then we have a KDP income report playlist as well, which is really good to see my progress over the last 18 months. Then how to make money online at home. We have quite a lot of videos in here as well, just with other little methods that you can do to make some extra money. Then we have profitable low and no content book niches. This is a really good one. I made a video about this the other day, which I'll also link right there right now in the right hand corner, and I suggest going through and watching. And then obviously the playlist dedicated just to low content. So I just can't believe that we now have over 300 videos all about low content book publishing. So don't forget to go and check it out, because it probably will help you out. Now, a completely different side note, which I just want to talk about real quick. We're coming so close to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you haven't watched No, that's wrong. If you're watching this and you are not subscribed already, then go and hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. As soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers, we will be having a massive sale on all of our courses. So if you want to see that and you aren't subscribed, go ahead and do it now. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit like. I've completely messed this up now. I've forgotten my outro. Let's try that again. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon. See? Got there in the end. Bye.